Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically create an anime music video using Animon. Get your song, of course, and you're going to then go to images here. You can go to text to image or image to image. This is the prompt that I got. I don't know, then you're just going to select generate here. I don't know if I have credits. I don't. Oh, I do. And then once you're done, you're going to save that image and you're going to make it into like an anime, so image to anime here. It's going to take super long. Then you're going to go here and then you're going to upload that image. Then you're going to just to describe the animation for it, for instance like lip syncing to the audio and whatnot. But that's pretty much it really. To the lyrics, for instance like the lyrics is like blah blah blah, you cannot actually put the audio here. You have to like make it generate the like lyrics, so like the text itself. So yeah, that's pretty much it really. You can just get this, save it, and then go to anime. I'm just going to use this for instance, and then on one knee and holding a large sword, lip syncing the words. Let's see, like I'll just put like a Taylor Swift song because I don't know what else to put. All I had to do was day. And then obviously generate. So for videos, it's going to be 2 minutes instead. I'm just gonna let it generate and I'll be right back with the finished result. Obviously, then you're going to want to sync it with the song. And this is the final result. Obviously you're going to want to make the lyrics longer, but this is just obviously an example, and you're just going to put the music underneath it. And obviously you're going to want to change the like image size later, so it's like music video format. So yeah, that is pretty much it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.